Sentinel. Or what did they call it? Titan Sentinel. I was gonna get to this last night live, but I was tired, man. So I'm gonna get to it now. And open him up. Got his arms taped back. Oh shit. So I gotta. Do all this in his arms. So I don't have scissors. Okay, I don't have scissors. So. Do it the hard way. His legs out. One more leg. All right. There for a second. Out of the way. Now, that's out the way. There he is. Head there. And like I said last night, this is the Sentinel they should have made in the 90s. The other one was cool with the arm shooting off and all that. But this is the one they should have made in the 90s. Stand up right here. I believe the package was torn to bits now. It's a little piece of paper down here. Let's see, it would be 14 inches tall. And the paper shows me absolutely nothing. But this definitely could have been made in the 90s. I know people probably complain about the no articulation. Who cares? It's just like the Sentinel. The legs are on like the, whatever you call that joint, up and down. They could have made the knees bend and not just arm, almost like a lot of the 90s Toy Biz figs. I don't know who was talking about it said it probably cost more to do that. I forgot who was talking about that. But yeah, they did a good job. This looks like the Sentinel from the 90s. The only thing they're missing is the thing shooting out his arm. Now I know they made some other Marvel Legends Sentinel, and almost like this, but it's real tiny, those little tiny figs. This is perfect. This will go in good with the 90s Toy Biz or the newer stuff. It's like they made the X-Men 97. I don't know if they're gonna make another wave of that or not. But I had to get showed them last night. I had to get that Wolverine because that is the best one made. Because like I said, this one over here with the this is good. It's all right, but the way that they made the claws on that one, that was again similar to the 90s. They must have been copying and noticing stuff. And then I heard, I don't know who was talking about this either, a couple months ago, talking about Toy Biz trying to make a comeback with Marvel. I don't know. I don't know. It's been a while. The Marvel Legends Toy Biz, that was early 2000, almost 20 years ago. Yeah, then they had the little ball and socket leg. It looks weird. The only difference is with Toy Biz, Marvel Legends, and Hasbro. Trying to see something on here. It's the plastic. I guess ain't as solid. This one is pretty solid, but like some of the figs, the plastic wasn't as solid. Like this one, solid. Of course, it's like a fig that was made in '95 or something. Did a good job. The arms, like I said, it's not much movement. Oh, it can't go all the way out no further. Wrist don't really turn. The leg up and down, like I told you, and that's it with the leg. Unless you want to try to pull a Michaels and throw a super kit. How about that? And there's no waist. They could have put the waist turn there underneath the little, like this belt looking thing in his head. Let me see. And head turn that way. That way. Does it turn all the way around? Yeah, I don't want to get too crazy with it. Just got the damn thing. But it turns all the way around. It goes up a little bit, tiny bit. Not too much, but it's not bad. Like I said, it fits in with the stuff. This dude will fit in perfect. See, fit right on this table here. Rough with it. Already got a space for him. What did I don't even know what the hell did I clear out? I cleared out something. But yeah, this is it's a size fig, like it goes in perfectly. Like I said, they could have put the little thing for his arm to grab the mutants, but it's fine the way it is, I guess. It's not bad at all. Because when these first came out, I don't know what it was, 3-4 months ago, you couldn't find them for shit. From over here. Couldn't find them for shit. But it's good. I got 2 of them because more than likely, maybe not right now, but give it several more months, these things will be hard to find. Because I was surprised they even made this. Now, if they turn around, get you out the way. They probably could use the same similar mold. The thing is, these are different color. If they make the Sentinel leader master mold, and more than just his head sitting up there, that'll be crazy. I doubt it. I just found out this year or last year. He actually had a Toy Biz master mold. It was just his head with the little legs crawling. Know about that? But yeah, so I was wondering, did they ever make the figure for that dude? By that point, I was 97, 98. I really collected Toy Biz then. Matter of fact, I believe I just gave mine away. I had some DC and some Marvel Toy Biz and gave them to my cousin just so he could tear them up. And I regret that, but they're long gone now. So, but never again. So, but yeah, this is good. I ain't see because I tried to keep myself away from the time. I didn't see no reviews on this, so I don't know if people thought it was good or bad. Me personally, I think it's good. Would I recommend them? Yeah. Do I think he goes with the current collection or the 90s collection? Yeah. So definitely recommend. So X-Men 97. What was it called? Titan Sentinel. I just call it the Sentinel. So I don't know about the Titans, and it's best because it's big, taller. So 97 Sentinel.